Welcome to the channel. Hope you are doing great. We have tried to introduce human in our previous videos that what was the purpose of creating this creation. The discussion took place among God, angels and the jinn, later called devil in religious teachings. The universe of souls where human souls were created and scheduled to take birth in this universe. The oath this human soul took with his creator and why God made human superior to all his other creations including angels and the jinn. Our today video will try to explain some logical background of selection and creation of this universe to send human souls to a body and called him the best creation of his and where this universe is going to end. As we have discussed that a human is made of two main units, a physical body anyone can see and recognize, and the soul inside the body helps body to move after taking instruction from some inside force of the human body. After so much development in science and technology, it is still an unsolved mystery to explain a human soul in its true spirit. But at the same time, every nation and civilization, there were some investigative minds who acknowledged that it is not the body only that is doing everything, but there is some other force inside the body which directs the physical structure to act or behave. In recent times, people have been relying on investigative and research based information. Creating human design with so much capabilities, research and creativity are some of the basics of human design. And by default, he remained curious to find out some real meanings of what is all around, explored so much and focused to develop lifestyles of mankind. Recently, humans believe in scientific knowledge and its findings undoubtedly, knowing the fact that not every scientific knowledge is absolutely true, as there are a number of theories since human had tried to explore more and more in its circle. Later came up more comprehensive and detailed and ends up with confusion or more authentic ways. For example, at the start of this century, science was believing that this universe commonly called Earth was already existed and not made or created, as science believed that mass is a permanent thing, not created and will not be vanished, and it was commonly believed. But in recent times, science has faced that there was nothing like this before creation of this universe. Guess what science has revealed? Science just acknowledging the information mentioned in one of the religious books, Quran. Some 1400 years back, it was written in the holy book that how this universe came into existence. During all these scientific researches until the start of this century, science was unable to rationalize the information revealed in one of the holy books about creation of this earth. Now we call it Big Bang, from some tiny particles flying around, full of unmeasurable heat, were flying, avoiding each other due to heat, with some order or direction, religion says, started joining together, formed a huge block, an explosion happens, galaxies appeared consisting of gases, soil particles, and countless stars in some billions in numbers. One of the galaxies science has partially discovered had part of selective area to send human at. We call it Earth in our use. It was not like that what we see today. It had some unbearable heat like sun looks from distance. With the passing time, it keeps getting cooler and started to shrink. This helps created some landscaping and we see some unbalanced surface going across the region of the earth. Appearance of the heat and increasing cold produced gases, evaporation took the charge, and a continuous cycle of rain started, which lasted for hundreds of years. arranged water resources, and made environment life friendly. Mountains were installed to balance the earth, unrealistic movement, and its major part was water, all said to bring life into it, and there are number of creations started to appear. It was some earlier plan discussed among the creator of everything, Allah, angels, and the leading member of jinn, way before the creation of this universe. Human and angel souls were created once with the first ever known orders of the creator with the Arabic word kun, which is comprehended as be and it is. Human souls were planned to formulate with this physical body, giving them the highest ranks among creatures, where the angels will remain souls, do not have any permanent shape or body structure, only obeys orders like all other creatures, who do not have any free will except the jinn. Jinn were created during the earth getting cooler. Jinn were created with that fire earlier this planet had and have the free will like humans. Universe was beautifully decorated with splendid mountains, jungles covering big areas, preserve countless species and animals, oceans, deserts, different weather, delicious food, some unique natural architects and whatnot. Almost every need human can imagine is right there. When human joins the party, he exercises his capabilities and strengths to explore more and more. Reflects the incomparable software of this product. Human history had made wonders, but a serious question arises. Every event or moment that shows some serious arrangements realizes that this event or moment is of what importance. And when we look around and see the rational and beautiful universe, do we think why all this arranged or created? Another question that why old human history does not speak much of human development like we have been experiencing it now. As we all know that human is more of a similar physical structure when we compare it to old human. So what has made recent human to achieve so much? Is human mind also going through getting maturity? Religious teachings open some logical ways to think over it. Religion says that Almighty had sent His messengers who were blessed humans to every nation and region with some laws and rules to obey to please the Creator Almighty. Messengers were sent to memorize the oath human souls took in some other world called the universe of souls we have talked about in our other video. People started following the instructions, but with the passage of time, those instructions were forged and disobeyed. New messengers come and same cycle continues until the last messenger comes with final revelation and discloses that humanity has reached that level to explore which was simply unknown to previous human brains and intellects. Human intellect has developed to this age and maybe in future more religious guidance is explored. And what Allah the Almighty told gave information is calculated to be true and finally human can explore the real purpose of creating human. Verily in the heavens and the earth are signs for those who believe, and in the creation of yourselves and the fact that animals are scattered through the earth are signs for those of assured faith, and in the alternation of night and day, and that fact that Allah sends down nourishment from the sky and revives therewith the earth after its death, and in the change of the winds are signs of those who are wise, Quran says. In our next videos, we will discuss the only perfect human being who gave a demo of what Creator has expected us to do. We are going to explore his whole life, so one can take the true expectations of human creator and some real knowledge science has not reached yet. Thanks for watching.